Lacey wore black and white striped jail garb and stood calmly before the judge answering questions about the terms of his conditions. He declined to speak with reporters as he left the federal courthouse in Phoenix about 3 hours later, holding hands with his wife and dressed in street clothes. "I am pleased he is going to be released, so he can set about defending his case," his attorney, Janie Cook, told reporters after the hearing. Lacey's release came one day after prosecutors announced that the website's chief executive, Carl Ferrer, 57, had pleaded guilty to conspiracy and money laundering charges in both Sacramento County Superior Court and U.S. District Court in Arizona under deals with state and federal prosecutors that call for him to serve 5 years in prison. As part of his agreements with the U.S. Department of Justice and prosecutors from California and Texas, Ferrer agreed to cooperate in the criminal case against Lacey and his Backpage co-founder, James Larkin. Larkin, who has also pleaded not guilty, is scheduled for a detention hearing on Monday. The 93-count federal indictment accuses Ferrer, Lacey, and Larkin of knowingly facilitating prostitution on the website. Also charged in the case are Executive Vice President Scott Speer, Chief Financial Officer John Jed Brunst, Sales and Marketing Director Dan Heyer, Operations Manager Andrew Padilla, and Assistant Operations Manager Joy Vaught. Prosecutors say the website has generated some $500 million in prostitution-related revenue since its launch in 2004 and has laundered the funds by routing them through seemingly unrelated entities, using foreign accounts and converting it into and out of cryptocurrencies. Was used primarily to sell sex and was the second largest classified ad service in the United States after Craigslist. The online resource and its affiliated websites were seized last week by U.S. federal law enforcement authorities and taken off the Internet. Ferrer agreed to permanently shut the website as part of his plea deal.